natin na si Channel! Sino dito ang sumubaybay pinaka-Channel or may mas kilala bilang Pilot?
Sa'yo, mayroong sa'yo.
Come on, you can do better than that. Dubai, are you ready? Let's welcome.
Grabe na kanya, diba? Alam mo kung sila contestant sa pitch, alam natin na BBB na sila, right? Pero kung sa pitch hindi kayo nag-perform, ibibigay ko yung golden buzzer. Sa kanila. Grabe, diba?
Di ko talaga in-expect to. There's so many people here right now, and I just want to say thank you guys for supporting us, even though you're all here in Dubai. And it's so nice visiting you guys. Parang nasa Philippines. It's like we're still in the Philippines. So thank you for giving us a sense of home too.
At syempre, alam natin si Kai is ang ating singing guwapa from Cebu. At maraming mga taga Cebu.
Taas naman! Mga sumang sir!
Pwede natin hinian ng greeting si Kai na nagbibisaya. Okay lang ba?
Go ahead!
Thank you so much.